So you might be trying to figure out how you can fix your cell phone issues on your iPhone. Now, this means that you may have like some cell issues like cellular data or your cell phone signals not working, so many things across the board. Now, the main way to go and fix this, or one of the ways to fix this, is to double check your SIM card or actual eSIM, whatever you have on your device, and check that signal coming from there. Now, if you have some sort of LTE signal or whatever, it should tell you like when you swipe down if you have like T-Mobile or AT&T or whatever, whatever else you have. And you want to just make sure you have some sort of signal. If you have very bad signal, then that's just going to be what's going to happen. You're just going to have to kind of deal with that or get into an area that has better signal, or you can always connect to Wi-Fi and kind of go from there. Connecting to a better Wi-Fi connection can, fix these problems as well. So just go ahead and do those types of things, and that's pretty much going to be the number one thing you can pretty much do. Now, let's say you do that and that's still not working. The other thing you may want to try doing is seeing what exactly isn't working. If you're making a phone call to somebody and the phone call randomly is not working, that can potentially mean that the specific phone call that you're calling, if you're calling somebody, it could potentially mean that number's not working or whatever the case is. So make sure you're typing in the right number. Same thing with text. If you're texting somebody, make sure you're going through and texting the right number, because if you're not, that could potentially be a problem as well. Now, if that's still not working, and you can guarantee that your cell service is good, that you have a SIM card installed and you've already set everything up, well, then the other thing you're going to have to do if that's still not working is to go ahead and see if there's an update available for your iPhone. So make your way over to your iPhone settings, click on General, click on Software Update, and what you're going to want to do here is basically see if there is an update available for your iPhone. If there is, go ahead and update your iPhone via Wi-Fi if you have the capability of going on Wi-Fi, and that can very well end up fixing the problem as well. And for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that's pretty much it. If that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons that you normally would to restart your device, restart it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.